Right, hi, my name's Colin Manning. I'm here at Beaudesert Scout Campsite and here to make a kazoo. So to make a kazoo, use some green hazel. So this is hazel that was growing until this week, so it's just been cut down by a method called coppicing. So first what I need to do is cut a length off the hazel. So I've got these two traditional sawhorses here, so I'm just going to use a little folding saw, just to pop this open nice and quickly. Cut a short section off like this. Nice and steady with the saw. And then take it nice and slowly as it drops to the ground like that. So, okay, so what we're going to do now is going to split the wood down the centre. So we're just going to use a sheath knife here. So I'll pop the sheath down there. I'm going to put the knife on there like that and just give it a couple of taps and it should just split through beautifully. As we're going, I'm just going to check it's going nice and straight. There we go, nice and straight through. So what we're going to do now is just going to mark where we're going to do the groove on the inside. Just put a mark on there and a mark on there, and then when we open this out we can see we've got these two marks, and what we can do is just put the knife on there, follow the mark and do one groove there like that, and then do one groove there like that. So we've just got a shallow groove. What we start doing is just work downwards into this cut like that, and then you can see we've got a nice little shaving come off. So do this a couple of ways each side, always working away with the knife to reduce the risk of injuring ourselves. Again, get the little groove in there like that, and then just needs to be sort of 2 or 3 millimeters deep, depending on what the wood is exactly like. So again, just into there and into there. And we're looking for a nice, smooth, rectangular slot. It's better to take it off in small amounts, give that control rather than taking big chunks off and then taking off too much. The biggest risk is always when we start, because we're going into that very shallow mark there. Once you get a little bit deeper, then the risk is slightly lower. Making kazoos is always a bit of a trial and error here, because it depends on the properties of the wood, the size of the wood, the exact size and shape of your slot. And not being a musician, so we might find when we put this together, it doesn't actually make a note first time. We might actually take it off and give a little bit of adjustment to it. So we've got a nice, smooth, flat slot in there. And when we pop those together, they should match perfectly if we get the right way around. So, okay, so what we do is when we put the elastic band, just get that across the middle there. You can see that's in the centre of the slot there, just like that. And then we just pop the top on like that. Just make sure it's the right way around so we get a nice, snug fit. And then what we can do then is just wrap this round the end. If we need one around both ends, we can do that. Keeps it nice and secure. So then we've got a nice, good fit on the kazoo. Need to give us a good firm blow. To change the tone, what we can do is we can just pull the elastic band as we're blowing. So there we go, and we have a kazoo. Thank you very much. I'm Colin Manning for Creative Outdoor Learning. Hope you enjoy making the kazoos, and hopefully visit my website soon. Thank you.